What the hell?
A picture frame.
Oh.
Turn your head to the left. To the right. You want a floor racing?
Yeah, early in the morning.
Early.
Our flight leaves at 6.
We're going to South Dakota.
Are you? That's pretty cool. Long needed that. How far?
The Black Hills.
Cool.
Turn your head to the left. Going to see the president. To the right. Back to
There's a lot of stuff to see there.
Good.
Yeah.